I did my bachelor's in civil engineering in India, where I'm from, and then I did my master's in environmental engineering in the US. After that, I moved to Vienna in 2017, and that's when my tech journey began. I always wanted to be a developer, but I never made the switch because I wasn't sure of what I wanted to do. But after I came to Vienna, and honestly, after doing a few German courses, learning to code seemed much more easier. So I did a short Python course to see if I'm actually good at programming, and I absolutely loved it. And then that gave me the confidence to do a full stack development course focused on PHP. I've been working in Drupal for more than 5 years now. Drupal is a free open source content management system that lets you build many things, like from simple blogs to complex enterprise level websites. Many organizations like the European Commission, United Nations, media companies like Courier, many universities and governments prefer Drupal because it's secure, scalable, and can support complex requirements very well. The special thing about Drupal is its strong community where everybody comes together to always improve the platform. What's really special about Drupal is its strong community where everybody comes together to build something good and continuously improve the platform. Klaus Purer, a Drupal veteran and my mentor now, found me on LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn works, so always have your profile active. Found me on LinkedIn, and he interviewed me for a job, for a configuration manager role in Jobico. The role required me to integrate third-party APIs and do backend development. I was given a test in Drupal, and I had absolutely no idea about Drupal before that, but thankfully I passed the test and I got the job. I worked in Jobico for 2.5 years, and I got hooked onto Drupal and its community. Drunomics is a web development agency with offices in Vienna and in Linz. It was established in 2012. We are a team of experts in open source technologies, Drupal and Nuxt. Drunomics has built many award-winning enterprise-level websites while maintaining its core values with open source. They always contribute and give back to the community. I work as a product manager in Drunomics. I spend most of my time with our cloud CMS ecosystem, Mospo, and the projects that tie into it. I oversee product development cycles, manage developers, and carry out QA testing to make sure the product is always reliable. I also coordinate with clients, gather requirements, and provide updates. I also oversee documentation and promote collaboration between the teams. When layoffs hit the previous company, I was faced with a choice. I either continue development outside open source or I try something out new. When Drunomics offered me the product manager role, I was immediately drawn to their commitment to Drupal and their contributions to the open source communities. In my previous experience working with various managers, I have always seen that having a technical background brings in crucial advantage to product management. It helps in understanding how developers work and what helps them to succeed. My technical background helps me setting realistic timelines, creating clear communication between stakeholders and developers, and also ensures the product and the project always meets the business goals and is set up for good technical standards. Every day. I miss the immediate satisfaction of writing clean code and debugging complex problems. But I feel the switch has been rewarding. Every time I see my team respecting my understanding of the product, and if they feel valued, if their perspectives are supported, I feel the switch to product management has been very fulfilling. My career as both a developer and a product manager has been built on one simple principle: continuous learning. I have never said, no, I do not know this and I won't be able to do it. I have always started with, let me figure it out. I'm results oriented and find joy when our products and projects deliver visible impact. I believe in creating a collaborative environment where everybody can grow both professionally and personally. One of my key strengths is identifying promising ideas. I evaluate them and turn into actionable plans. My mentor Klausi asked me to volunteer at Drupal Dev Days Vienna in 2023. I really enjoyed the whole process and spending time with the community. That after that, every time another organizing committee asked me to support their organization, their event, I always said yes. Just last year, I have supported 3 events: Drupal Mountain Camp Switzerland, Drupal Dev Days Bulgaria, and Drupal Camp Berlin. I was also elected the marketing manager for Drupal Austria both this year. Drunomics provide both dedicated time and financial support to employees who want to contribute to Drupal. Drunomics has been actively sponsoring Drupal conferences, Drupal camps. They also encourage their employees to both organize events and present sessions at the event. They're all about knowledge sharing, gaining knowledge, giving back knowledge, and also to the open source community. Drunomics understands that Drupal thrives on community contributions, and they actively support that philosophy. Drupal wouldn't exist without people contributing their code, energy, and ideas. And these community events help people come to a common space to make that collaboration happen. While I was at a workshop at Drupal Mountain Camp, organized by Mikko Hamilton, CEO of Druid, we were discussing about why we contribute to Drupal and what motivates us. Despite our different backgrounds and journeys, we all had one common goal. We all wanted to contribute to something meaningful while growing personally in the process. Drupal events are not just about networking. It brings out ideas. It brings out new beginnings in the community that makes it even better than what it is before. Open source communities like Drupal are effective models for collaboration. Drupal has created a global network where people come to contribute not just because of hierarchies, but because of their passion and expertise. The skills you acquire while contributing, communication, collaboration, mentorship, problem solving, these are things that will help you in your everyday life. My goal is to support the Drupal community, bring together teams from different sectors, connect newcomers and experienced people, and spread positivity in the community.